Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm probably in the cleanest spot in my house right now because never get two puppies at once. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. So I'm gonna tell you guys how you can stay consistent on YouTube with a full-time career. You may be thinking it's easy. It's really not easy. I don't think you understand. Step one is that you need to ask yourself, how important is it to you? Is it doable? Can you do this? Because staying consistent on YouTube with a full-time career is a task. It's almost like a second job. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to invest in yourself. You know, the whole spend money to make money thing is kind of controversial. Some people agree with it, some people don't. I don't really know where I stand. I do think that if something's important to you and you're trying to get somewhere, like you're trying to get from point A to point B, you have a goal, you probably do need to invest in yourself to make that goal happen. Step two is having to do with time management. You need to understand that it's not as easy as it sounds. You know, sitting down, filming your video, and then you have to find time to edit it, and you need to make it public. I mean, like, it just depending on what you need to do for your videos. Like if you're filming outside, if you're traveling, bringing your camera with you, if you're just at home, like there are things that need to be in place before filming. You have to prepare for filming. So you need to think about when is the best time to film, first of all. And second, you need to think about when is the best time to edit. And some people aren't able to do all this planning and getting things ready and thinking, even just thinking about what you're going to do after work. Sometimes that just doesn't happen. To stay consistent on YouTube with a full-time job, you need to plan your day accordingly. Get a planner. That'll help so much. I have a planner. Maybe that'll give you things to jot down that you want to get done before work or after work for YouTube. Sometimes I do some of my editing before work if I have a chance to, maybe even just like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a lot of time when you think about everything that you have to get done. If you're a busy person, 30 minutes is your best friend. If you have time after work, if you have time before work, if you have time during work, that's even better, but most of us don't. So time management is a big one. The third thing that I have is to schedule. Take advantage of YouTube's scheduling option. They give you an option to have your video private and then public, and then you can schedule it for whenever you want it to go up. If you are just starting your YouTube channel, if you're trying to prepare, you can, if you're new to YouTube, you can really just film and edit a ton of videos and schedule them for when you want them to go live. You don't have to film, edit, post. Film, edit, post. It doesn't always work that way unless you work from home, or you know, I don't know, but not everybody has that luxury. I work a full-time job and I still make time for YouTube because it's important to me and because I have goals, and you have to just plan for your goals. You can take your time because YouTube allows you to. You can put like 10 videos to go out and be like to schedule, so they can go out at, you know, whatever time, whatever day you want them to. There are so many resources out there like that. I count that as a resource. You might not, I don't know, but that's the great thing about YouTube. They don't rush you, and you shouldn't rush yourself either. It's a pretty big commitment. If you're not ready for it, that's okay. Take this time to get your equipment. Like if you want a better camera, if you want a camera, you know, I know some people do film on their iPhones, which that's cool. It just seems like, you know, it's a pretty small screen. Some people will film and edit on their iPhones. I don't think I could ever do that. that there are videos out there to show you how to do that as well. I hope this video helped you. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. If you just want to chat, I'm always willing to chat. Leave a like and subscribe if you like seeing my face. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!